Good day everyone. I am Joshua Richards Colorado from BS ECE 3-1, and once again we are here to discuss about Wika and to justify our quiz about the dataset in Cacao. So let's start. So as you can see, here is the dataset given to us by our professor. So this has only a total of 496 cells. So it means that the samples are not complete, and it should be 250 each for Trinitario and 250 for Forastero. So we should edit this data so that we can convert it into CSV and use it on Wika. So I have already done it here. So there are 250 for Trinitario and 250 for Forastero. So as you can see, I removed the name here, then I replaced the numbers 1 and 2 with the class and their names, Trinitario and Forastero. So what are we gonna do next? So we need a separate Excel file for the training set and the testing set. So as you can see, I have already done it. So let's go first for the training set. So for the training set, it is composed of 200 samples of Trinitario and 200 samples of Forastero. So as you can see, this has a highlight of light green. So it means I copied it uh, for the training set so that it is easy for you to understand. And here is the other part that I copy for the training set. That is total of 200 samples for Trinitario. And the dark green highlighted one for Forastero is also the ones I copied for the training set. And here are the other ones that I also copied. That is a total of 200 samples each for Forastero and Trinitario, ranging that is a total of 400 samples. So as you have the training set file, you must have the testing set file. So the training set has 400 samples, and our data here has 250 each, equivalent to 500 samples. So we need 50 samples for Trinitario and 50 samples for Forastero. So as you can see, this data that has a red outline on it, it is composed by 50 samples for Trinitario, and the other one is 50 samples for Forastero, as you can see. Then I copied it and paste it into another file for the testing set of Cacao. So there you have it. We have a separate file for the training set and testing set. So we're gonna go to our Wika. So let's wait for a while. So here we are at Wika. We should open our CSV file of our Excel. By the way, I already converted it a while ago so that this video won't be too long for you to watch, since we already know and I have already discussed to you how to convert Excel file into CSV file. So as you can see, Here is the training set. Should open, and there you go. And excuse me, the next one is the testing set, and here you go. So we need to convert it to ARFF. And we guys already know how to convert. And a while ago, when I tested this data, I have already converted these CSV files into the ARFF format. So we're gonna go to the Explorer, open the ARFF file that we have converted. We should open the training set so that we can use this data. It has a total attributes of 23 and an instances of 400, meaning that it has 400 samples, 200 for Trinitario and 200 for the Forastero. So as we classify our training set, let's use the test option, use training set, then start. So BiasNet has 78, and I have already tested this file a while ago. So let's go to multi-layer perceptron, and as you can see, it has a 98% accuracy. That is a very good accuracy that we can use in our research paper. So as we go here in the IBK, it has 100%. It is overranging, and it is not good to use in our research paper since it has a very accurate data. Then the other one that has a 90 plus percentage on it is the attribute selected, which has 91. The bagging, which is also 91. The part, I think the part classifier has 90%, and as we go to trees, the J48 has 94. So we are going to test our testing set. So we're gonna choose the option supplied test set, then set. We're gonna open our testing set ARFF file here, then close. Go to J48, which has a 94.25% in our training set. However, in our testing set, it has only 70%. Then we go to part, has only 63% in our testing set. And then to attribute selected, classifier has only 60. Bagging has 69%. And the last one is the multi-layer perceptron, which has 84%. So as you can see in our training set, multi-layer perceptron has a total of 98%, and in our supplied test set, multi-layer perceptron also has the highest percentage, which has an 84%. So I think multi-layer perceptron is the classifier that is accurate for our research paper. We can use it since it has a 90 plus above percentage of correctly classified instances. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from what I did in classifying the data of Trinitario cacao and Forastera cacao. Thank you.